Hey everybody, it's Neon. If you are taking a shower and you get the film on your glass doors and windows and whatever from the shower, well, it's good to have a squeegee, and this will just clean it off and dry it off like pretty quick for you. So let's show you guys what you get in here. So this one here is a heavy duty squeegee, and I'm dropping some pieces. Let me just kind of put it down here and I'll show you what we got. So we have here, we have our squeegee. So this is our device here. And you can see it's got a nice rubber one here. This is like a heavy duty kind of commercial-ish looking one. We have the little rod for it here to hold it. Let's get that assembled here. I'm looking in the light, so for me it's not quite as easy. Okay, so there we go. There's a squeegee. It comes with, looks like an extra little rubber piece here. And let's just read the instructions here just so we can see if we're missing anything. It also comes with a scrubber. So I'll show you guys that here. So here's all the instructions if you need that on how to replace the rubber piece, and just information on the squeegee. Okay, and then it also has this component here, which is a little Velcro cover for it. So let's see, how do we open it here? Like it opens on the one side and then it'll squeeze in there. So if you want to use it to wash your windows, you can go ahead and stick this inside of it there and Velcro it on. And now it's a window scrubber. So you can use it for scrubbing your windows or for that. And then it looks like we can extend it as well. Sorry, I have a bad wrist, so there. So it'll extend to about 4 feet or so, it looks like. So you can do some good cleaning with it. Boy, my TV's dusty. It's getting a lot of good dust off. Okay, and that is it here. So you can do that for washing it. And then when you want to squeegee, you can just squeegee this. It'll work really high. You could use it for a window up high, but then you just basically will squeegee it across. Well, that one's going to make some noise. I'm doing it on a plastic TV, but you get the idea, and it'll squeegee off all the water. So very cool. So good for squeegeeing windows or showers or whatever you want. So nice cleaner, and I needed one of these, and now I have one. Very good. Thumbs up.